Welcome. If you've ever wanted to keep your Pinterest pins free from comments, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off comments on your Pinterest pins quickly and easily using the Pinterest app. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where you manage your pins and boards. Next, look for the option labeled Social Permissions. This is where Pinterest lets you control who can interact with your content. Tap on it to open the settings related to comments and other social features. Now, you'll see a toggle switch next to allow comments on your pins. Simply switch this toggle off. Once it's off, no one will be able to leave comments on any of your pins, giving you full control over your content and how others engage with it. That's it. You've successfully turned off comments on your Pinterest pins. This feature is perfect if you want to maintain a clean and distraction-free profile, or if you prefer to share your ideas without the feedback loop. Remember, you can always turn comments back on by following the same steps and toggling the option back on. This flexibility lets you decide how interactive you want your Pinterest experience to be. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more peaceful Pinterest browsing and pinning experience.